These days, it's easier than ever to make money online from your computer or phone from within the confines of your Warren Buffett. And if you're currently in high school or planning on college, any of the following side hustle ideas have the potential to turn into life-changing income, so that by the time you hit the working world, you still don't have to get a real job. Instead, like us, you can travel the world, pursue your passions and enjoy life while earning money doing what you love. If you're like many teenagers, you probably spend several hours online, either on a computer or a smartphone. What are you doing? Watching videos, taking surveys, surfing social media, listening to music. You can do all of these things and get paid for them if you sign up for various sites. The internet provides numerous opportunities for kids and teenagers to make money online. Here's a list of ways teens can make money online. So before we continue, kindly like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay notified of more interesting videos just like this one. Number 1. Become a YouTuber. An extremely popular route for how to make money as a teenager without a job is undoubtedly becoming a YouTuber. Anyone can set up a YouTube channel free of charge. All you need is a Google account, and YouTube can become a very lucrative way for a teen to make money online. We've all seen the stories about YouTube stars with millions of followers earning astronomical sums of money. But there are thousands of others who make a full-time living with smaller channels. If the thought of showing your face on camera makes you squirm, then there are lots of different types of videos you can make instead. Unboxing videos, animated explainer videos, cooking videos with a top-down camera, screen recording videos showing how to use the software, motivation videos using stock footage clips, travel videos. You are only limited by your imagination. Plus, more recently, you can earn huge sums of money uploading YouTube Shorts. Simply create portrait-style videos, no longer than 60 seconds, and upload them on the YouTube app. In no time at all, you could be getting paid for uploading videos of your dog. Number 2. Become a TikTok star. If you don't fancy YouTube, these days TikTok is the place to be. Founded at the end of 2016, TikTok is perhaps the most successful business to evolve out of coronavirus. With more people spending a lot more time at home, the app seems to have exploded in popularity, with roughly 1 billion active users acquired to date. This number is growing, and it's currently one of the hottest and fastest ways for you to build a huge following and monetize your audience. There are thousands of teenagers making large amounts of money on TikTok. Some of them are already successful influencers, and others are newcomers to the game. Much like YouTube, posting frequent content and appealing to a particular demographic is the key to growing on TikTok. Number 3. Become a social media influencer. If TikTok or YouTube don't float your boat, there are plenty of other channels you can build a huge following. It can take time to build up a big enough following to be seen as a social media influencer. But this is a fantastic route to earn money as a teen and a way to generate a consistent income for a long time. Instagram, Discord, Pinterest, and even building big communities on WhatsApp are all opportunities for you to make money online. If you love to create content, have no issue with being in front of the video camera, and have a natural creative lean, becoming a social media influencer will probably suit you to a T. These days, you don't even have to get in front of the camera to make super engaging and popular videos. Have a look at the kind of content that's currently doing well on the platforms you're interested in, and start to test your own ideas. Be prepared to post consistently and often, and to test as many strategies as possible to see what resonates. Once you have a large engaged following, you can start to reach out to brands who will happily pay you to talk about and demonstrate their products or brand to your audience. Number 4. Start dropshipping. A low-cost and fairly simple route how to make money as a teenager without a job is dropshipping. Dropshipping simply means that you as the seller create a store and brand in source and advertise products relevant to your niche. Once a customer makes a purchase, the product is shipped directly from the manufacturer to the customer. You make the difference between the price you charge the customer and the price the manufacturer charges you. For example, let's say you're in the jewelry niche. You find a lovely silver bracelet you want to sell on a dropshipping marketplace. The manufacturer is charging $10 per bracelet. You might advertise that bracelet on your site at $30. When a customer buys, the bracelet is shipped directly to the customer, and you generate a $20 profit minus other costs. Number 5. Become a Canva graphic designer. If you have an eye for design, another fab idea for how to make money as a teenager without a job is becoming a graphic designer or a specialist Canva graphic designer. Selling pre-made Canva templates is big business online these days, and you can sell them directly on social media, on Etsy, or on your own site. Sell your graphic design services on sites such as Upwork.com or Fiverr.com anywhere from $5 an hour to $35 an hour. Number 6. Become a freelance writer. Do you love to write, but don't fancy starting your own blog? If so, start a new career as a freelance writer. Simply sign up and create a profile on Upwork.com, Fiverr.com, or WritersAccess.com. Set up the latest job alert and start bidding for remote jobs. Pick topics and subjects you're interested in and are confident you can do a good job with, and earn anywhere between $0.04, $0 and 15 cents a word depending on your skill levels. Number 7. Sell digital printables on Etsy. Another amazing idea of how to make money as a teenager without a job is to sell digital printables on Etsy. Simply head to Etsy and research a niche you love to be in. Weddings are big business on Etsy, as are downloadable coloring books, printable wall art, printable stickers and labels, greeting cards, games and activities, planners and journals, and loads more. Choose your niche and look at the best-selling items within that niche. Head over to Canva to see if they have any pre-made templates you can use to quickly and easily create your own version of some of the best-selling products. Create your Etsy store. Add your downloadable digital printables. Create keyword-rich listings. Add super attractive images of your products. And jump on social media to let the world know your products are live. You may need to invest in some Etsy ads to help promote your products to get things rolling. But as you start to generate sales and reviews, any new products you launch will likely take off much faster. Number 8. Become an Amazon influencer. Love shopping on Amazon? This could be the ideal gig for you. Becoming an Amazon influencer means you leverage your existing social media audience by creating your own Amazon storefront and sending your followers to recommended products, reviews, live streams, unboxing videos, etc. You will need to have a substantial and engaged social media following to qualify. But once accepted into the program, you can start to earn money as a teenager on the biggest e-commerce site in the world. That brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment and let us know. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date on all of our new content. See you soon. Thanks for watching.